Using Zelle transaction history is a straightforward process that allows you to keep track of your payments and transfers. To start, you need to have a Zelle account linked to your bank or credit union. Once you have an account, you can access your transaction history through the Zelle app or your bank's online platform. First, log into your Zelle account or bank's online platform using your username and password. Next, navigate to the Zelle section, where you will find a list of all your recent transactions, including payments you have sent and received. You can scroll through this list to view the details of each transaction, including the date, amount, and recipient or sender. To view more details about a specific transaction, click on the transaction in the list. This will take you to a page with more information, such as the transaction status, any fees associated with the transfer, and a unique transaction ID. You can use this information to track the status of your payments and ensure that they have been processed correctly. In addition to viewing individual transactions, you can also use the Zelle transaction history to track your overall payment activity. You can view your transaction history by date range, allowing you to see all the payments you have made or received over a specific period. This can be helpful for budgeting and tracking your expenses. It is also important to regularly review your Zelle transaction history to ensure that all transactions are legitimate and authorized. If you notice any suspicious activity, such as an unauthorized payment, you should contact your bank or Zelle's customer support immediately. Best practices for using Zelle transaction history include regularly reviewing your transaction history, monitoring your account activity, and keeping your account information up to date. By following these best practices, you can help protect your account and ensure that your Zelle transactions are secure and accurate. Overall, using Zelle transaction history is a simple and convenient way to keep track of your payments and transfers. By understanding how to view and use your transaction history, you can take control of your finances and ensure that your Zelle account is secure and up to date.